I started medicine at 35, not 18, not 22, not after a straight path after high school, 35. And somewhere between the late nights, the self-doubt, the pressure of starting over, I realized something. Nobody was talking about this side of the journey. Not the exams, not the clinical skills, the internal side, the human being becoming the doctor. That's why I built this channel. In this video, I want to tell you exactly what Scrub and Soul really means, where it came from, who is it for, and why I believe this channel needs to exist. Let's go. When people think about medicine, they think about the profession, white coats, hospitals, exams, clinical knowledge, stethoscopes. But behind every profession is a human being navigating life. A person carrying the pressure, a person carrying dreams, fear, responsibilities, growth, and sacrifice. And I think many people only ever see the final title, doctor, but they rarely see what the journey does to the person becoming one. That tension between the profession and the person is exactly what this channel is named after. The meaning of scrub. The word scrub represents the professional side of the journey. The discipline, the training, the lectures, the studying, the exhaustion, the responsibility. It represents medicine itself, the science, the commitment, and the process of learning how to care for human life. Because medicine demands a lot from you, mentally, emotionally, and also physically. Long nights, pressure, exams, moments of fatigue, moments where you question everything. The scrub is the part that the world sees. The work, the grind, the title towards that, and the meaning of the soul. But you see, the soul represents something the world doesn't see. That is the internal journey, the personal growth, the transformation happening quietly while the lectures continue. Because becoming a doctor is not only about acquiring the medical knowledge, it's also about becoming the kind of person who carry responsibility, someone who can carry pressure and human suffering. And along that journey, you start learning things about yourself too. You learn about your patience, your discipline, your emotional strength, your weaknesses, and your purpose. And honestly, sometimes the internal journey becomes heavier than the academic themselves. That's the soul, the part that the world never sees, but the part that shapes everything. There are many moments in medicine that really appear publicly. Moments of self-doubt, moments of exhaustion, moments where the pressure feels overwhelming. And I think many medical students silently carry these experiences without saying a word, without showing it. But there are also moments of clarity, moments where you remember why the journey matters, moments where purpose becomes stronger than discomfort. And that balance between pressure and purpose is exactly what inspired this channel. And I want to be honest about something. Starting medicine at 35 adds a layer to this journey that most channels don't talk about. Because when you are a mature medical student, you are not just learning medicine. You are rebuilding your identity. You are redefining what's possible for your life. Sitting in lectures with people who are 10, sometimes even 15 years younger, and carrying a different kind of weight. Life responsibilities, financial pressure, the question that follows you everywhere. You are like, is it too late? This channel exists partly to answer that question, because delayed dreams are still valid, and rebuilding your life requires a different kind of courage. I created Scrub and Soul because I wanted a space that talks honestly about both sides. Not only the profession, but also the person, the science, and the soul behind it. The discipline required to pursue medicine, and the internal transformation happening quietly at the same time. Because I believe many people are not only searching for information, Sometimes people are searching for encouragement. They are looking for a perspective, identity, and sometimes even hope, especially during difficult seasons of life. And this channel is a space for that. So, if you are a medical student trying to survive the pressure of training, this space is for you. If you are rebuilding your life while chasing a different dream, this space is for you. If you started later in life than everyone else and you are wondering if it still counts, this space is for you. If you simply want to understand what this journey really feels like from the inside, this space is for you. Because Scrub and Soul is ultimately about one word: becoming the person you slowly grow into while pursuing something difficult. And honestly, I think that's why this journey matters so much. Because medicine changes more than your career. Sometimes it changes your mindset, it changes your discipline, your identity, your perspective on life itself. And that internal transformation, it's something I want this channel to document with honesty. Not the perfection, not the fake motivation, not a highlight reel, just the real journey, one step at a time. If this video connected with you, I would encourage you to watch 2 videos that tell the deeper story behind this journey. My journey into medicine, where this all began, and the side of medical school nobody prepares you for. Both are on this channel. I link them above. And if Scrub and Soul is a channel you want to grow with, please subscribe. Drop a comment below. Tell me, which part of your journey are you currently in? I read every single one of them. I'm Dr. Tyson Shipalana. This is Scrub and Soul, home of medicine, discipline, and legacy. We move like surgeons. Keep healing inside out. Hileso.